Hi everyone, this is Jake at Optery. Let's jump right into the steps on how to opt out of federalpay.org. Go to their website and select the category that you want to search. Fill out the form, then hit the search button. Select the record that matches with your information and click on it, and copy the URL of your profile for step number 4. Go to their contact page and scroll down until you see the Send Message button. On the next page, fill out the form with the required information. Enter your name, email address, select Error, Correction, or Update as your subject, then paste the URL that you copied earlier. Then click the Submit button. These requests are subject to approval, so feel free to check their website often to see if changes have been made. Congratulations on opting out of federalpay.org. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free, or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.